Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open your Google Map in satellite view. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to open your Google Map in satellite view, firstly open your Google Map application. Click on Profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on Settings option. Scroll all the way down and turn on the Start Maps in Satellite View option. You can see that the Satellite View option have now been updated in Google Map. If you want to turn off the satellite view, go to the profile icon once again, click on Settings, scroll all the way down to Start Map in Satellite View and turn it off. This is how you can open your Google Map in satellite view quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.